new car seat that we got. She is moving on up from her first car seat, which was just the infant one with all the slides. I think this is a 3-in-1. It has a booster as well, but the back doesn't come off. I think she likes it. I think she's really taking it home. Hello, my poops. Just kidding.
Okay, so today we are going to clean and organize the RV. We are moving to Texas in 2 days, so we have a lot to do. We have to organize that whole back bedroom. I'm trying not to say.
We have to organize the whole RV thing. Get this little car seat right here in the truck.
And we have a lot of laundry to do, so we just want to be prepared when we get to Texas. We don't have to do anything for a couple weeks.
True.
Okay, let's do this. Right now, Tim is working on putting up some curtains in Finley's bedroom. They are blackout curtains. There weren't any curtains in there to begin with, so we were using a blanket to put over the windows at nighttime to keep it dark in here. So right there and right there. So see what they look like.
These curtains are normal curtains, right? But RV windows are short, like that. Super short. So what I do is I'm going to fold these over twice. Boom. And then just use safety pins. So these are no-sew, curtain rod, curtains, everything. Super quick, super easy. Check this out. Dark. Blackout. Boom!
All right, it is 6 o'clock. It is time to get ready to eat some dinner and get Finley ready for bed. So I just wanted to kind of fill you in on what we got done today. We are packing, and basically we leave for Texas in 2 days. So we are just trying to get as much done as we can. So when we got the RV, it didn't really have any lips up here to hold these baskets when we were going down the road or anything like that. So Tim was able to install that. He just screwed some wood in. So we got that done today. And then earlier from the video, you saw that Tim made some curtains. And so the biggest thing was this room that we really needed to get organized. So I did switch sides for us for our clothes. This is going to be all of Finley's clothes right here. And then we got these totes. I'm going to take the lids off and just like stack like our t-shirts and our jeans and just everything like that, just for storage for right now. Those are just all of our shoes. That's going to be all of our linen and towels and stuff like that. And then I did finally get her her cart organized. That's just all of her necessities on a daily basis. And then all of that is going to just kind of be some miscellaneous stuff for like Finley, for like her blankets and just stuff like that. And then also all of Tim and I's like undergarments and stuff like that. So it's a bit of a work in progress, but I feel like we're making it our own. So I will probably pick up vlogging tomorrow. I'm not gonna make this like a one-day vlog because we have a lot to do still. So I will keep you guys updated and we'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, we are officially 1 day away from moving to Texas. So today is the last day. We have to get everything done. So Tim's inside right now. He's grabbing some laundry so we can start putting it away in the storage container things that we just got. And the first thing on the list is the truck. We're going to just get it completely cleared out. We're going to install Finley's new car seat and just vacuum it out and everything like that. So yeah, today's going to be a busy day. Let's do this. Okay, so we are out and about. We're running some last minute errands. So we stopped to get some exotic drinks. What did you get this time?
Cherry limeade. mango, no ice. 0 ice, so you get the most bang for your buck. You get all the fluids.
Okay, so I got a lemonade with blackberry, oh wait, hold on. I got a lemonade with blackberry, a lime wedge, and then they have a watermelon Red Bull. So it's my first time getting this one.
We use the app now, so you don't have to push the button and do everything.
Ooh.
And you don't have to sit there and talk to the guy and try to be like, hey, I want this. And he's like, did you say that? And then you're like, no, that's not what I said at all. And then you say you got it completely wrong, and you just do it on your phone. Done.
And it's happy hour all day, every day if you use the app.
It's true.
So anyways, so we are headed to Walmart. We're gonna go get a tree. Look at Finley in her big girl seat. Say hi, Finley. Say hi. What kind is it though? Is that good, Finley? She takes eating very seriously. All right, guys, so I guess we are gonna call it a night, and tomorrow we head out in the morning, so we'll keep you guys updated. Tomorrow's move day. All right, good morning. It's moving day. We just got done eating some breakfast, and we're loading everything up. All of that was inside the house, so we are just moving all of that into the RV. And then Tim is over here getting the truck hooked up. So he's gonna pull around, and then we are going to finish loading up. We're gonna take some family pictures with Finley, and then we're gonna hit the road. So we just got to Jellystone right outside of Fort Worth, and Tim's doing, what are you doing? He's poop tube. He's doing hookups right now, right there. So we'll have water, electric, and sewer. And Finley's just She's just hanging out. So yeah, we're gonna finish setting up and then we're gonna go explore a little bit. This park is ginormous. It's super family friendly from the get-go, I can just tell. So we're gonna find a playground so Finley can run around and play and get some energy out because we've been on the road for about 4 hours today. So yeah.
Alright everybody, before I start the rest of this part, I do just want to mention that this video is a sponsored video. It is sponsored by Neville Ending Adventures. Ha ha ha.
Yes, it is.
Anyway, so obviously we're at the Jellystone Park and it's really full. There's people everywhere. This is probably one of the coolest parks I've ever been to. These guys have a water park, they have like a fishing lake, all family friendly events. Yogi Bear drives around in a golf cart. Like, this is super sweet. So I think our vacation for us up in Texas is going to be probably a Jellystone Park.
There's another Jellystone in San Antonio. So we have to check that one out. I don't know if it has a water park though, but.
So we're just hanging out. Finley is asleep. We're just sitting here. She is right up in there. And that's it. Happy trails to end tomorrow.
All right, Finley, you ready? You ready? You ready to move to Texas? You ready to go to your new home? Hi. Blow a kiss, Finley? Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss? Good job. One more. Blow a kiss. Good job. Tim is getting everything unhooked right now, and yeah, we're gonna hit the road soon. Just got Buc-ee's. I think we got probably every single popular food to get. So. Got some banana pudding, some summer sausage, pulled pork sandwich, beef brisket sandwich, their homemade chips, and then drinks.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at our final destination here in Texas. This right here is our little humble abode. Behind me is the truck. We have it parked underneath the tree just in case hail hits tonight. I think it's supposed to rain or something. I don't know. That was safe. So we have this whole area, right, for the puppy to run. Whole area, humble abode, RV. Finley and Mama, and then this is our way out. So we have a pretty sweet setup for a pretty sweet price for here for now. I think that's it for this episode, or that's it for kind of this whole moving portion. Thank you for watching. Follow us, subscribe, dangle the bell, of course, and we'll see you later.